It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, COMAND AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, agility control automatic suspension management, auto dimming rearview mirror, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,